Hi all my crafty friends, and welcome back to Designs by Gaddis. If you're new here, welcome. I'm so glad you found my channel. Be sure to like this video and subscribe. By doing so, you will help others, just like yourself, be able to find my home decor DIY videos. I wanted to make a framed sign for my Valentine's tiara tray. I used a little wooden tray from Michael's and painted it with a homemade pink chalk paint. I'll leave a link in the description below for the how to make chalk paint video. I found this adorable cut file in a bundle I purchased from Design Bundles, and I thought it would be adorable in my framed tiara tray sign. I centered everything and applied the vinyl to the sign. I tried to use my iron to melt the vinyl into the cracks and crevices of the wood, but I just couldn't get it to fit into the little sign. So I decided to use my hot air gun. I simply heated an area with the hot air gun and then used my fingers to press the vinyl into the wood while it was still warm. I will leave a link below to the hot air gun I use and recommend. It has saved me so much time on projects and it's easy to use. The next step was to apply Mod Podge to the tiara tray sign to seal it and protect it. I have used my hot air gun to dry the Mod Podge in the past, but have found that it causes the glue to bubble, so I wouldn't recommend it for Mod Podge. This little frame tiara tray sign is so stinking cute. I have left a link in the description below for the bundle I got the cut file from, in case you're interested. This was a super simple project, especially after I had the sign painted. If you haven't already, go ahead and like this video and subscribe to my channel. I upload weekly home decor DIY videos, and you know you don't want to miss any of them. So go ahead and hit the bell notification so you'll be notified when I upload a new video. And as always, thanks for watching. Until next time, happy crafting!